Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen ID.3 sale price. PA Pro plus 58 kWh in sleek grey. This electric estate boasts advanced features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and emergency call for safety. With only 10 kilometers on the odometer, it's practically brand new. Enjoy convenience with Bluetooth phone, cruise control, and wireless charging. Plus, with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, your safety is a top priority. This vehicle undergoes a full health check, is serviced to manufacturer standards, and comes with a warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this cutting-edge VW ID.3.